Hey guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious sweet recipe. It is Paneer Ladoo. This is such an easy and quick sweet recipe you can make, and it's very delicious. Now let's see how to make it. So first I'm going to grind a few ingredients. I've added some crumbled paneer, and to that I'm adding some condensed milk, and then milk, and then some sugar, and then some saffron, then cardamom powder, or you can even add whole elaichi. Now I'm going to grind this, and it has to come to a very smooth thick consistency. Sorry, I thought I was recording, but I didn't. So I added ghee in the pan, and then I'm adding the ground mixture, and you can see how creamy it is, like so nice and creamy. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep mixing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically keep mixing this till it becomes nice and thick. It's hot, so I'm going to let it warm. So while it was warm, I started to make balls out of it. So make sure it's nice and firm. So yes guys, paneer ladoos are ready. I've kept it like this. I put some badam on top. Oh god, so good, so good, so delicious, so yummy. Awesome guys, definitely try it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone, bye bye.